should I say 4A or? Hello Colorado, this is Haas with AA TV, Electronic Vacuum and Appliance. We are Colorado's largest and one of the oldest service centers here in town. Our crew and managers have over 40 years experience in the industry. We're here today to talk about TV repair for the Denver Metro. We do provide service to the entire metro area, ranging from Castle Rock all the way as far north up to Thornton and everything in between. We have a Sharp LED TV here, and it's an LED LCD model TV that is having an indicator light flash on the front with no power up, no picture, no sound. We have a very similar issue with the plasma, which is a Hitachi plasma right next to it. And what I want you to notice is the difference in technology. The Sharp is about 2 to 3 years old versus this plasma is a 2008 model. And I want to show you the complexity in all the boards that power these TVs. As we progress, you can also see the technology just before the flat panels, which is the DLP technology. DLP standing for Digital Light Projection TV Repair. The industry has seen a progression in the technology from the tube TVs to the digital light projections up to plasma, and then you have the LCD and LED models. These TVs all essentially deliver your audio and visual needs in your home. They all function slightly differently and they all fail differently. The most common problems we find with electronics these days are typically caused by either power fluctuation, which is a natural process that happens at your outlet. The power at your outlet could fluctuate around 120 volts up or down depending on the conditions and the circumstances and the age of the home. That a lot of times puts strain on the components and causes them to fail. We've seen a lot of Samsung TV repairs due to a clicking or a non-power up failure with their capacitors being the primary cause usually. Sometimes it's also caused by the power supply boards. Most of the TVs these days have 2 power supply boards, a sub and a main power supply board. And then the range of problems can kind of escalate from there, and the cost can vary. TV repair usually is more cost effective than replacing your TV. Usually you can get your LCD or plasma TV repaired for anywhere from as low as $50 up to about $250 to $300 on average for a 50-inch size TV. That's usually more cost effective than replacing the TV or the technology. And typically when we go through and repair the TVs, we do all the work by hand. So you find that the quality, the craftsmanship is all hand, it's all done by hand, and so usually the TV ends up lasting longer. A lot of times when we perform the repairs, we replace the TV's components with better components that are usually rated for higher voltages or higher amperage or whatever the updated kind of spec sheet might be from the manufacturer. Another process that we can kind of tap into when we perform the repair is we can also check if there's any recalls or defects on some of these boards, and we can improve those. We've seen a lot of that happen, for example, with convergence kits on older TVs, also with DLP TVs, where we're able to go in and replace the components with components that are better usually.